Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Farwa Nadeem from Maryland High School. Today I am going to deliver you a lecture of English class 2nd. In today's video I am going to teach you our new story, that is Yoshi the Stone Cutter. This story is about a man, and the name of the man is the Yoshi. Yoshi is a stone cutter that cuts the stones. Is called a stone cutter. Now the story starts. This story is basically from the Japan. This is a Japanese story, and this story is about a poor bent man called Yoshi. As you can see that this is Yoshi, and Yoshi is a bent man and is very poor. And Yoshi lived in the mountains of the Japan in his hut. As you can see, this is the hut of the Yoshi. As I told you that Yoshi is a woodcutter, one day Yoshi went to a rich man's house, and the house was very beautiful because that person was very rich, and he was wearing a beautiful silk dress, and his hands was also very beautiful, and because the Yoshi was a stone cutter, so his hands was very hard, and Yoshi became very sad that I wish I could be richer than this man. And there is one thing in this story, that everyone in that on the mountain, everyone that lived on the mountain said that there is a spirit on the mountains, but Yoshi never saw the spirit. And when at the home of a rich man, Yoshi silently said that I wish I could be. Then Yoshi sadly went back home. When Yoshi got back home, he saw that there was a beautiful house in place of the hut. As you can see, there is a beautiful house in place of the hut. And Yoshi became very surprised and was very happy, and Yoshi became very rich. And Yoshi was eating in his house, and Yoshi saw a prince outside the window, and that prince, you know the style of the prince, there were many servants around the prince, and the prince was under umbrella because the day was very hot. As you can see that this is the prince, and again Yoshi whispered that I wish I could be a prince, and the spirit said, a prince you now shall be, and then Yoshi became a prince. This is Yoshi, and Yoshi is now a prince. And when Yoshi was with his servants, he was drinking water. The day was very hot. He was drinking water in a beautiful jeweled cup, and then because the day was very hot, Yoshi splashed water onto his face, but the day was hot and everything was drying in that. And then Yoshi said that it means that sun is more powerful than me, that the sun is drying everything on the ground. It means that sun is more powerful than a prince. Then again Yoshi whispered, I wish I could be a sun. And then again the spirit said, a sun you now shall be. And now Yoshi is a sun. Now what is the purpose of the sun? What is the main function of the sun? The main purpose of the sun is to give heat, sunlight, heat, and the sunlight dries everything on the earth. Means because sun dries the rivers, the lakes, and was drying the grass. This is the function of the, and give one day the clouds covered the sun, and as you can see this is the cloud, and clouds covered the sun, and again Yoshi the sun thought that it means that the clouds are more powerful than me. And then again Yoshi the sun whispered that I wish I could be a cloud, means that the clouds are more powerful than a sun, then I wish to be a cloud. And then again the spirit said, a cloud you now shall be. Now Yoshi is a cloud. As you can see, now Yoshi is a cloud. And what is the purpose, what is the function of the clouds? To give rain, to water everything, to fill the lakes, to fill the rivers and dams, everything. and with the water, you know, when there is rain, everything become green, the dried grass become green, and there was greenery everywhere. And what happened one day, that after a very heavy rainfall, because of the cloud, rainfall is because of the clouds, after a very heavy rainfall, the whole village poured into water, but there was only one single rock that was standing in the village. As you can see, this is the rock. And again the Yoshi now is the cloud. Again Yoshi the cloud thought the rock is more powerful than a cloud. And again Yoshi whispered, I wish I could be a rock. And then again the spirit said, a rock you now shall be. Now Yoshi is a rock. This is the rock. Yoshi is a rock. Now Yoshi is a rock, as you can see, because the rock was the only thing that was standing into the poured village that was filled with water. And what happened one day? Stone cutters came to the rock and they were cutting the rock, and Yoshi again thought that what is happening to this? It means that a man is more powerful than the rocks. And then actually in this whole story, Yoshi was not satisfied with his life. Means to say that when he was a bent stone cutter, he was not satisfied. He wished to be a prince, again he wished to be a sun, again he wished to be a cloud, and then rock. And in this state, this is the last state, but this was not satisfied with the rock as well. And when Yoshi was a rock, he again whispered that I wish I could be a man. And then the rocks smiled, because Yoshi was not satisfied in the whole state when the Yoshi was a man till the Yoshi is now a rock. He is not satisfied with its life. And then after Yoshi said, I wish I could be a man, the spirit again said, a man you now shall be. Now Yoshi is again a man with bent back and hard hands, but the difference between these two states is that now Yoshi is happy. This is the difference between the first state and the last state. As you can see that in the first state, when Yoshi wished to be a rich man, Yoshi was not happy, was not satisfying, and at the last he is happy to his life, that a man can do everything that the others cannot do. You can do anything in your life then that the other things cannot do. You are more powerful creature on the earth, on the universe. So this was your whole story. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you. This was your whole story. I hope that you guys enjoyed it a lot. Now your assignment is that you will tell me why Yoshi is happy at the last of the story. You will tell me the reason that why Yoshi is happy to be a man again. Why Yoshi is happy to be a man again? This is your assignment.